Okay, so this week we're going to learn about one of the 7 elements of art called space. So there are 2 types of space. One is positive space and one is negative space. So space is either the distance between 2 objects or the area around a shape. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to draw some leaves. You're going to do your best and don't get frustrated if you can't do the leaves exactly like mine. But what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of paper, and I'm going to explain what positive and negative is. So once you get a piece of paper, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hold the paper horizontal, which is landscape. Okay, you are going to draw a line on the left side of your paper like this, go down, and a line across like that. So it looks like a rectangle almost, but don't close it. Alright, so then 3 lines like that. The bottom of this one, you're going to make a smiley face. Okay? Then on the top of the next shape, you're going to make a frown face, and you're going to connect to this point here. So you go up and out and make a frown face and then connect. Alright, so that's 1 leaf. Okay, the next shape you're going to do, you're going to put your pencil right here on this leaf on the side, and you're going to make a frown face. Then you're going to go in, then you go frown again. Okay, then you make a smiley face, make a curved line going down, out. Doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Back in, so we're going in, out, in and out. Okay, so it doesn't have to be exactly like mine. A short curve here. Now I'm going to make a long curve and connect to there. So this is showing overlapping. So it looks like 1 leaf is behind the first leaf. That's called overlapping. Alright? Then we're going to do another leaf over here. I'm going to put my pencil right here, and I'm going to make a big curved line like that. And then I'm going to make another curve and connect like that. So now that looks like this leaf is behind this leaf. Okay? Now, the difference between positive and negative, I will show you this. The positive is the black shape, that is the leaves. So all that is positive space. Okay? Negative space is this, the shape, the space around the leaves. So this is negative space, that is around everything around your object. And then the positive space is everything inside the object, which are your leaves. Okay? So that's what positive and negative. Positive are the leaves because it is an actual object. Negative is the space around your object. That's negative space. Okay? Now, with the rest of your assignment, what you are going to do is, once you draw your leaves, this is how it should look at the end. Once you draw your leaves, the negative space, which is behind the leaves, it can either be a solid color like this, which I did it in black, or it can be a shaded color, like I did blue here, but it doesn't have to be solid. It's still the negative space, because the leaves are your actual object that you're drawing. So what I did is, once I drew my leaves, I got a ruler, and then I just divided my paper. So you can do this if you want to, or you don't have to. What I did is, one side I colored it solid, and then the other side I didn't color it solid, but it's still your negative space. So you can color it however you want, but I want you to get your colored pencils. Once you get your colored pencils, I want you to color it. So I did some of the veins inside the leaves. So I did a line going down the middle, a little wavy line on each one. Little wavy line in the middle, and then one here. Okay, and then I did some lines. One line going to the right, and then I went to this side up here, went up a little bit, one to the left, went up a little bit, one to the right, maybe another one to the left. So I did that on all of those. So on this one here, go to the right, maybe even go up to the left. So do a few of the veins in the leaves, don't do too many. Alternate, and that gives it some texture, and then you color it. So it is fall season, so I've made yellow and orange. So go ahead and color. I did some yellow, like get your colored pencils and crayons, and you color it yellow and orange. And what I did is I blended. So once you color like this, do some yellow, then you get your orange, and you barely touch into the yellow, and it starts blending. So I'm barely touching the paper. I'm not pushing down real hard. So when you color, you don't push down real hard, and that's how you blend. Alright? And so go ahead and color. I'm just going to do this last leaf, but I want you to color all your leaves, yellow and orange. Because if you go outside, you'll start seeing that the trees are going to start turning yellow and orange. Alright, so I'll do some yellow, do some orange. I'll get my yellow back again, and I'll go on top of my orange. Okay? And it's going to blend. You see how it's blending like that? Alright, so go ahead and color. And then have fun with the rest of it. Make sure you color all your leaves. Get a black crayon when you're done, and make sure you outline the leaves in black, and it makes it pop out.